Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how do you disable your Instagram account. It's actually pretty easy to do. So you're heading over to the Instagram application and heading over to the profile and then tap on the hamburger menu or the three lines icon on the top right. And in here, go to account center. Now go to personal details. Go to account ownership and control. Go to deactivation or deletion. Now select your Instagram account. Now select deactivate account and tap on continue. Now what you need to do is just to give your password to deactivate it, and deactivating means the disabling of your account. So it works the same for both. So yeah, this is how you can just disable your Instagram account. Hope this video helped you out. If you got any questions regarding this, just comment down below. We will see you in the next video.